discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced-air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, automatic temperature control, heated steering wheel, remote keyless entry, a bedliner, and a split-folding rear seat. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.